Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and in this video I will be showing on how I give myself a pedicure. I begin by preparing warm water in my bathtub and pouring Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution all over in my bathtub. I leave my feet soaking within the warm water for a good 5 minutes to soften the skin. Then with the stainless steel medium pedicure foot file callus remover, I file off the soft skin safely, filing off all the hard skin that is quite stubborn to take off. Go underneath the toes. With latex gloves, and yes, I use latex gloves on my own pedicures. Now with the nail art cotton picker tool, I am clamping the cotton and then pouring pure acetone onto the cotton ball. Removing all old polish from my toenails. And now all the polish is removed, I dip my feet back into the bathtub filled with soothing bubbles. After fully drying my feet, I start off clipping my toenails from the smallest nail with a straight edge nail clipper. Here I keep my toenails really short to prevent any uncomfortable ingrown nails and because I want a square shape. When trimming my toenails, I make sure they are trimmed from the side top edge first, then trim to the top center to even out the shape. With a 80 by 80 nail grit file, I proceed with gently filing the nails to their square shape. First, I file off the top edges of each nail and then I proceed with the side edges. Pouring cuticle softener by rubbing it all over my feet and nails for a good minute to soften the skin. You may also massage the feet at this time as well. Make sure you get that cuticle remover really good within the skin. Here I go in with the stainless steel cuticle pusher. gently pushing back the cuticles in a circular motion. Remember, you never want to force roughly when removing the cuticles to prevent harm on the cuticle area. You do not want to damage the area, it's very sensitive. The cuticle softener will always help to soften those rough, stubborn cuticle residues and to clean out underneath the nails. Works really good to get those tough spots in. Push back gently, again in a circular motion. Remember, you do not have to jam it in the cuticle. Just move it in a circular motion. Those corner edges can be really rough to get rid of. Just proceed on doing this until they are finally removed. Clean underneath the nails. Using the D501 cuticle nipper, I will carefully remove the rough cuticles that had grown over time. I begin from the side edge, then continue removing the callus around the nail. This must be done really carefully. This cuticle nipper is pretty sharp, so I had to go in very, very gently when nipping off the excess skin. And this is why the cuticle remover comes in really handy. See, it helps remove all that rough callus. Wow, I had a lot of callus over time. It sure does feel really nice and soft once it's removed. Remember, again, you must be very careful with the cuticle area and work your way up around the toenail. You may also trim your nails with this cuticle nipper, but we're just gonna keep it to the basics and use a straight edge nail clipper and then to proceed with the nail nipper as we see here. Now, with a battery-operated portable electric nail manicure filer, I will file down the thickness of the smallest toenail to even out the thickness. Then I proceed with the rest of the nails. Remember, never placing too much pressure or force when using this electric nail filer. This can injure the toenails really bad to the point where they can also detach from the skin and in between the toenails. You may also use this electric nail filer even before clipping off the toenails as well, if in case the toenails are thick. Then I buff the nails to buff off the nail residue and to smoothen out the nail bed. Again, I rinse my feet and fully dry them. As you can see, I wrapped a foot long of toilet paper in between my toenails as a toe separator. I apply KLEANCOLORS top coat over my toenails, as you can see. Then applying LA Colors MP411 Transformer Polish sideways because this seemed a bit easy to apply the polish in this position. Now going in with my second coat. Removing the excess polish with a French manicuring brush with pure acetone. And this is where the toilet paper may also come in handy to wipe off the excess polish. Unfortunately, I could not add in extra video footage where I am nail stamping the flower designs due to the transferring file error, which made the file go missing for some weird reason. I could only fit in a few seconds of what was left of the footage. Applying top coat once again. Removing the excess polish. Applying cuticle oil to the finished pedicure, and this is the finished look. And here are a few extra images of the pedicure. That was it for this video. Hoped you all liked it or learned some techniques from it. It's usually somewhat of a challenge to perform a pedicure on myself due to the physical position I must endure. It's mostly easier when performing a pedicure on someone else, but as always, it leaves a great feeling to have a pedicure done. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like or subscribe to help support my channel. It really means a lot to me whenever I can showcase what I can do. Hope you all take care. Love you all. Bye bye and take care until the next time.